Hi folks, today we're going to do something different. It's not going to be the usual course or a refactoring series. Instead, I'm going to dive deep into one of my own products and teach you a particular utility. In fact, two utilities, pick and omit. These are TypeScript utilities that help you do some cute little things. And I will show it, of course, I'll show it in this particular production code base of Super Impress. And before I explain them, I want to give quick context of the product and why I even used omit and pick utilities. So in this Super Impress product, you can create posts that you can publish to LinkedIn or just use this platform as a content management system. And we recently added the support to add documents to a post along with images. This means this particular feature would allow you to attach both images and documents to a post. You can attach both images and documents to a post. And when you do decide to post to LinkedIn, you can choose which asset to post with. You can either post with images or post with PDF. So this gives you a nice system where you can test out your post with different assets to understand which performs better. Or you can in general just have a duplicate post and repurpose this content with a different asset. So that's how this feature works, and we recently pushed this. But once we raised the PR for this feature, the deployment failed. We used Vercel, so we got a nice error message identifying the issue, and it had to do with a TypeScript error, which is what I'm going to show you today. This is the code base of Super Impress. It's built on Next.js, and I'm going to mimic the same error which I got. So I'm just going to use the build command to show you the error. It might take some time. All right, you can see that there is an error in the edit post form dialog. Let's just go to the file and see where the error is. You can see that argument of type title string, content string, document, or title ID created at the entire post information is not assignable to parameter of type post with asset type, right? So the issue is here, we also have the ability to edit a post, but during edit, you can only update the title or the post content. We don't support editing images or the assets as of now. So when I built this edit feature, I used omit to omit the key which I don't support yet. So from my post schema data, if you look at my post schema data, it has title, it has content, it has images, and it also has document, which was recently added. And that's what this type is also inferred as by Zod. And for my edit, what I did was I created another type, and I did not create a completely different type. I just omitted the images key from the post schema data. So that's what this omit utility does. It constructs a type with the properties of T except for those in type K, right? So you can put anything over here. And this was failing, of course, because now my post is not just, doesn't just have images, it also has the document information right now, right? That's the reason this is failing. Right. So the types of property document are incompatible with this thing. It's okay. It's a huge message. I know the issue, so we don't have to worry much about that. Fix here would be to omit the document, the newly added key 2, and this will fix the error. But there's a small problem here. Every time some asset is added, so every time, let's assume we support videos in the future, I again have to come here, omit this too. Whereas my edit post form is a dedicated feature and it won't change a lot for a while. So the better option to choose, the better utility to use here is something called pick. So like omit, what pick does is it picks only a set of properties, and that is perfect for my use case over here with edit, because now I know that I only worry about title and I only worry about the post content, and this will fix the build issue too. So you won't have this particular issue. And this is how we actually pushed it in the production code base too. In fact, I just undid a couple of changes to show you this particular use case. And yeah, so that's how the pick works. So you can also check more of these TypeScript utilities. There are a couple of them. There's awaited, there's partial, there's required, read only, record, pick. A lot of this. I use quite a bit of pick and quite a bit of omit. So you have a nice use case here. Yeah. Also, let me know if you like these kind of videos. I can actually go and explain a lot of stuff this way. And I don't have any NDAs because this is my own product. So yeah, I think that would be it. In fact, let me just undo the changes so that you know that this is what was also pushed to production. Yeah. So yeah, you can see that I made this change. I just put a better type commit message. Omit was changed to pick. Right now, this way, this particular edit post form won't break anytime I make updates to the actual post editor. And of course, with TypeScript, things will break a lot. and it is okay. You just have to refactor and choose better ways to do things so that they don't break further. All right. Give me your feedback in the comments or on the Discord, on the Front End Hack Discord channel, and I'll prioritize making more such videos. Thank you.